Going to show you how to add festivities to each one of your guests in your guest list within PlanMe. So first you have to have your guest list set. Let's say I have a guest list set with these 5 guests. When you scroll to the right, you will be able to start adding your guests to which festivities you want to be able to invite them to. You can go ahead and invite them, or if you know they're coming, you can go ahead and accept or reject their invitation if you know they're not coming. How to add one of these festivities. You will be able to find your festivities list here up at the top, and you can click on list. When you click on festivities list, this is where you can add a festivity right here at the top. Once you add a festivity, you will see that festivity in your guest list in your guest section, and you will be able to go ahead and invite them, accept their invitation, deny their invitation, and you'll have a accepted, declined, and invited count here at the bottom to help you capture metrics.